The compact solution for a world of products, from food to non-food. BG Mini Smart, your perfect packaging is always smart. Create small pillow bags or gusset bag. It's available in various versions, with manual loading, with a step-by-step conveyor belt, combinable with our BG Easy semi-automatic weigher, and also compatible with mini multi-head weighers. Furthermore, we can supply it directly equipped with an integrated weighing scale. The BG Mini Smart produces small pillow and gusset bags using heat-sealable film up to 330 mm in width, with maximum average weights up to approximately 1 kg, according to the volume. Now we see it in operation in its manual version. Simply insert the product, press the foot pedal, and the bag sealing starts. BG Mini Smart, versatile, fast, ideal for packaging small multi-product kits to be inserted manually and pre-weighed products. By adding the step-by-step conveyor belt, the packaging becomes flexible and adaptable to different production needs. Our BG Mini Smart with manual loading, and even better with the step-by-step conveyor belt, is also very useful for packaging small kits of various types. With this machine, you can package many products simply and quickly, optimizing your space. Easy to manage, easy to clean. It is equipped with a latest generation touchscreen display that allows you to view the weights accurately and program recipes quickly and easily. Recipe storage and remote assistance are just some of the features that make this packaging machine a true jewel of made in Italy technology. If you already own our BG Easy Weigher, you can elevate it to a higher level by combining it with the BG Mini Smart. Together, they create an automatic packaging system, optimizing the time and resources of your business. The BG Mini Smart by C.I.A. is a compact and versatile automatic packaging machine, perfect for optimizing workspaces. Designed and manufactured entirely by C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines in its factory in Villaverla, in the province of Vicenza, near Venice. BG Mini Smart, the evolution of intelligent packaging. Now also available with an integrated scale for greater precision and an optimized workflow. We can also supply it with various options such as a date coder, or a device for inert gas injection to better preserve some products. You can package an infinite number of products such as snacks, dried fruit, legumes, sugared almonds, candies, and many other granular products, but also non-food products such as bolts, screws, small plastic parts, and much more. A secure investment for your business at a very attractive price directly from the manufacturer. Finally, it can be combined with a multi-head weigher to package many granular products, food and non-food. Our BG Mini Smart, made in Italy, made by C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. For more information, visit our official website, www.casrl.it, and our video channel, www.confeziona.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines, since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.